We are already very much clear about the meaning of the advertising. That is a creativity you put to promote your product, basically to capture some of the customers in large, basically. So we do these with the help of media only. We required a medium to promote our particular product, to promote our ads. So effective media selection depends on having an in-depth understanding of each target audience and then matching their characteristics with the different attributes offered by each medium. Because consumers have different wants and needs, so up to them, we have few products and services that can be effectively marketed via only one medium. We have already discussed there are number of mediums, there are number of medias that is available to us, so that we can promote our product because of consumer needs and wants, especially differentiation needs and wants and habits. We have different medias now. However, this does not mean that sources should be equally divided among all media, but this is not necessary that you divide your sources equally among all the media. Types of media. There are four types of media that are currently used. The one is print media, the second one is electronic and new media, the next is outdoor media, and the last one is covert advertisements. Print publications advertising. The first one we are going to discuss, that is print publications. Print publications such as magazines, newspapers, and special issue publications offer advertising opportunities at all geographic levels. Magazines, especially those that target specific niche or specialized interest areas, are more narrowly targeted compared to broadcast media. Basically, what you do, you segment your market. Segmentation of market is what, from the on the basis of the habits and the consumers habits and needs of the consumer, you segment a market, you divide your market in subsection, so that you can opt for the particular media that particularly suitable to that market segmentation. The first one is in print media is newspaper. Of all the sources of media, the newspaper was considered to be the backbone of the advertising program, and it remains the most powerful message carrier even today. Because newspaper is very much popular among all the population in India, it has considered to be very important and the foremost source of the media. Merits of newspaper: it can give wide coverage all over India. The newspaper coverage is very wide and broader. Public response is quicker. It ensures regularity and frequencies. Advertisements can be inserted or changed quickly, and it is economical. It is very economical. You have to pay very less amount. It is available to general public at large. It has wider coverage. It is very regular in frequency. You get your daily newspaper on the regular basis. Advertisements can be inserted or changed quickly. That is very easily even. The demerit is that it has the shortest life. It survives for a day only. There is a possibility of wastage in circulation because it is not restricted to certain group of readers. Because we have a large variety of readers, there could be possibility of wastage in circulation also. People read newspapers mainly for news and take only a casual glance at the advertisement, so it may not serve the purpose. Sometimes if you need a job, you will look for the classified jobs ad. If you need anything else, any tender equation, you will look for that particular ads. Otherwise you will skip that, you it will not able to serve your purpose. Magazines and trade journals. This is one of the oldest media of advertising. Magazines can be special and general. If it is special magazine, it will appeal to specific classes of consumers only. For example, an advertisement of a computer in computers today. Magazines are there for each and every sector, like professionalism. Lawyer has different source of magazines, doctor has different source of magazine, computer person has different source of magazine. So it is very oldest form of advertising. It is very special and general. The merits of magazines are it have a longer life than newspapers. Magazines enjoy national circulation. The high quality printing gives greater appeal and offers a more stable impact on the mind. Magazines usually have more a day life. It has actually it's circular nationally. The quality of printing is much better than the newspaper. Demerits are it is costlier than newspaper. Obviously, you have to pay from rupee 50 to rupee 500 for to purchase a magazine, as magazines are published weekly, fortnightly, monthly, quarterly. The advertisers cannot communicate their message at frequency in other media like newspaper, radio, television, film. Basically, the magazines his the life of magazine, the period of magazines are restricted. It can be weekly, it can be fortnightly, it can be monthly. So the frequency of advertising your ad is basically few in this. The other medias like newspaper, radio, televisions have much more frequency as comparative to magazine. Direct mail advertising uses postal and other delivery services to ship advertising materials, including postcards, letters, brochures, catalogs, and flyers to a physical address of target consumers. See, somehow you will even get some brochure in your at your home address. It is basically direct mail advertising. They use postal or delivery services also, and they have different advertising materials like postcard, brochures, leaflets, flyers. They actually targeted the person and physically on their physical address. Direct mail is the most effective when it is designed in a way that makes it appear to be special to the customer. This is advertising medium wherein the advertiser sends messages directly to target customer by mail. The message may be mailed in variety of forms, say letters, circulars, email, catalogs, folders, brochure, etc., which may be informatics, persuasive, and act as reminder. Direct mail advertisement can be act as a reminder. It pursues your consumer very well. It can be in any form. You have to only target your customers via mail. The merits of direct mail advertising. It is economical and most personal and selective media. It reaches only prospective customer and has minimum amount of waste in circulation. The advertisement copy can be very flexible and can provide detailed information about the product or services, creating a lasting expression. Its effectiveness is measurable and it has a maximum personal appeal. It is very economical in nature. It is very personal, selective type of media. There is no wastage, very minimum amount of wastage in circulation in it. The advertisement copy is very flexible. They provide you detailed information regarding your product or services, and it has a long lasting expression in the mind of customers. Demerits. The message has to be very brief and it cannot be confidential. The message that conveyed via direct mail method is basically very brief and it is not confidential at all. So it may not turn out to be attractive as expected. It is difficult to prepare an up to words mailing list as continuous changes are required. So business firms are now issuing private journals to inform customers about the new arrivals periodically. For example, Food World has its private journal named the Food World. Uh, because of the main demerits, some business firms has opted for the private journal so that they can provide periodical information to the customers. This medium has only limited coverage and is useful for advertising to a small and known group of people. It is very limited in nature and it is useful for very some few people. Electronic and new media. The next is the media like television, radio, internet, and are also known as broadcast media. These are highly successful vehicles of advertising as they combine audio visual elements. The cost of advertising on television depends upon the time of broadcast, the viewership of the channel, and the duration of advertisement. These is very effective way of advertising. People are more interested in watching television, listening radio, and in browsing the internet. So these are very effective and very well-known, renowned media of advertising. Advertisements are a good choice for small types of companies with regional operations who broadcast their advertisements on the FM channels, which have huge fan following. Internet is emerging new media which has huge potential for reaching potential customers all over the world. Online advertisement have attractive image and animation to entice users to check them out. These have their respective pros and cons of all these particular medias. The first one is internet advertising. Advertising on the internet is quite popular these days for worldwide publicity. Number of times ads pop up on your screen when you're browsing the internet. These advertising known as online advertisement, internet marketing and online marketing is the marketing and promotion of products or services over the internet. For example, contextual ad, banner ads, blog, rich media ads, social network advertising, email marketing, etc. are the part of internet advertising as well. Radio advertising. Promotion through radio has been a viable advertising option for over 80 years. Radio advertisement is mostly local to the broadcast range of radio station like Radio Fruity, Radio FM, Radio Today. These radio advertising actually capture local sort of audience. This media can appeal to illiterate people. The advertisement can be repeated in different programs to communicate with different types of people. For example, announcement in between movie songs are very popular. The media is very economical in nature. A person can listen to radio regarding of his or her activities. So the potential audience of radio is much larger as compared to any other media. This is very economical. Capturing the mind, capturing the audience through radio advertisement is very easy. The main demerits are radio visualize only through words, music, and sound effects. The product that need visual display or demonstration cannot be advertised through this media. Obvious, the radio basically used for listening. The product that need video visualization, they cannot be advertised through this medium. This medium has low memory value. People become remember the because people remember the things that they see longer than things that they hear. Obviously, out of sight, out of mind is very much famous proverb. That means people has to be remind of particular product if they see the product very frequently. Repeated messages are boring for them. Radio advertisements have a very short life and may be missed by many listeners. The next is television advertising. Television advertising offers the benefit of reaching large numbers in a single exposure, yet because it is a mass medium capable of being seen by anyone, television lacks the ability to deliver an advertisement to a highly targeted customers compared to other media. It is very popular. It reached public at large level. In India, television was first commissioned in 1959 and commercial telecasting started in 1976 and the color transmission in 1982. The first time television in India was used in 1959. 1976, they used television for their commercial purpose, and the color transition is actually happened in 1982. This is specialized media as it provides a scientific synchronization of sound, light, motion, color, and immediacy that no other media does except film. The main merits of television advertising are this medium is an ideal medium to show products and its uses, and the products can also be demonstrated. The television present things and events as they happen, so advertisements are more creative and persuasive. Message and geographical selectivity is possible. The demerits are it is costlier, so this medium is out of reach of small size and medium size units. Commercial messages have shortest lifespan. Still, it is very popular among the public. Outdoor media. This is also known as position or indirect advertising. This media reaches people when they are outdoors or traveling and not when they are at home or office. Here, the advertising message is not delivered to audience like in print or broadcast media, but is placed in strategic location where it is exposed to the audience on the move. This media is basically when we talk about media outside your home. This is actually capture your need because it has place like that that it capture your attention. This media catches the attention of people within a split second. Its effectiveness can be seen from the fact that 97% of total adult population moves outdoors every day. Posters, painted displays, electric signs, traveling displays, and skywriting are popular media of outdoor advertising. The main merits are this medium maintains continued appeal for a longer period of time and is open to all classes of society without any expenditure on their part. Through frequency and repetition, it can achieve penetration. This medium has greater flexibility with regard to area, time, and individual requirements. It possesses geographical flexibility, permitting the promotion of products in defined areas or market. The basically this medium it has a longer impact on the consumers. This the frequency and the repetition of these types of media is very much popular. This medium has very greater flexibility. It uses the geographical areas where the need and the wants of customers can be captured. Outdoor advertising has a variety of media vehicles to carry the message. Buying space is not really difficult because there is continuous growth in the cities, highways, vehicles, and traffic that provides inbuilt additional space. The demerits are outdoor advertising only serve as reminder. It reminds the viewers of the value of the goods and services so advertised. The message cannot be long as there is limited space, a moving audience, and changing market conditions. It can therefore act best as a supplementary media. The brevity of messages make this medium unsuitable for introduction of new products. You cannot actually introduce you use your particular ad via this. The thing is that it is a reminder for the customers only. It has very short lifespan of the advertisement. It is impossible to measure the results of outdoor media advertising, unlike in press, broadcast, telecast, where one can speak of readership, listenership, and viewership in exact terms, and which helps in expressing the impact of advertising on the audience. The basic reason is that the audience pays for these medium, but in case of outdoor media, there is no special expenditure involved. Therefore, no advertiser can say certainty with that his poster or signboard or skywriting has been seen or read by fixed number of people in a precise term. These media includes billboard advertising, the use of signs to communicate a marketer message, places advertising in geographical identified areas in order to capture customer attention. The most obvious method of using sign is through billboards, which are generally located in high traffic areas. Outdoor billboards come in many sizes. See, this is example of billboard, and this is one of the type of outdoor advertising. The ad is of Coca-Cola. Transit advertising. These are also known as traveling displays. It stands for all types of advertising signs or displays used in trains, buses, cars, autos, trucks, and other such transportation vehicles, and the terminals or stations from which they have operate. Basically, these are the advertisement that placed on trains, buses, cars. This actually transit with the transportation vehicles. The main merits are it is economical, it can cover a wide geographical area. This medium can reach pedestrians and travelers, so has a high readership ability. The main demerit is smallness in the size and the problem of space availability are the limitation of this medium. Window display. The dictionary meaning of word display is arranging something for view. Therefore, display advertising is systematic arrangement of samples of saleable products to catch the imagination and attention of people. Every retailer puts certain selected products in glass windows in attractive styles in front of shop. You have seen it number of times that many of the products have been displayed on the window by the shopkeepers to attract the attention of to attract the capture the need of the consumer. Similarly, manufacturers and wholesalers maintain a big showrooms in main markets to advertise their products and to attend to queries of prospective buyers. See, in number of malls, the products have been displayed in big showrooms, and so that they can advertise their product and they can actually solve the queries of the buyers also. This is on and in sport of advertising, act as a silent salesman and promotes impulsive buying. The success of this medium depends upon the factors of suitable location, easy accessibility, accommodation, working staff, and testimonials of satisfied customers. The last one is covert advertisement. Covert advertisements are hidden advertisements which are embedded as a part of movie or an event. These are actually hidden in nature. It can be part of an event or it can be part of any movie also. These are not evident as a commercial advertisement, but the brand is certainly showcased in the program. For example, if you have seen the movie of Bagban, the ICICI Bank was covertly advertised in that particular movie. The Coca-Cola was promoted in the Hindi movie Tal. So all these are type of covert advertisement. These includes film advertising. Business units prepare short-term films or slides which are shown before the start of regular movie shows or during the intermission. Along with the movie, there is running commentary on the feature uses and superiority of the product. The main merits are the advertising message lasts longer through this media. Product demonstration is explicitly done, impressive and easily convincing. Moreover, it has dramatic impact on viewers. Must have watched when you are actually watching a movie in a cinema hall or on YouTube. They advertise particular types of products towards you. So basically, the impact of their last long is much more than other media. The cinema audience consists of all segment of society, and so it affords a high degree of selection and flexibility. Moreover, the advertiser has advantage of selecting the audience by place to meet its differing needs. This medium has special feature of mass publicity because a theater can accommodate 300 to 400 person per show. Obviously, a cinema hall consists of such a mass publicity, such a mass number of people are there. The coverage is more than any other media. This advertising cuts across the barrier of literacy and languages and reach the audience faster, so the message is exposed, is not wasted. The magazines and the newspapers may not be appealing to the rural population, but these sort of advertising are a reliable medium for them. The main demerits are this advertising is costly and the message is usually ignored by people because before the start of the movie or during the interval, when the advertisement is shown, only a few people are present in the theater. Movie advertisement Movie advertisement is costly and so only a few firms can use this medium. Moreover, it lacks flexibility and timeliness and its effectiveness cannot be measured. Advertisement specialties or gift advertising. This is a medium that employs the use of useful article known as advertising specialties or gift novelties, which are imprinted with the name, address, and the sales message of advertisement. For example, pens, keychains, diaries, ashtrays, bottle openers, memo pads, folders. You must have seen number of advertisement placed on these sort of advertising. You have seen the keychain of particular company. All this part of this type of advertising. These items act as gift when distributed to selected audience free of cost or obligation. The advertiser hopes strongly that the recipient is likely to be influenced favorably to buy in future, as he is reminded of the company every time he or she looks at the gift. Whenever you see this type of product, basically the company endorse the advertisement through these source of advertisement. The merit is it has a reminder value. The demerit is it works out much costlier than other mediums and accommodates only limited information with very limited circulation. You choose few people to give these sort of items. These is the type of advertising media: radio, TV, promotion, billboards, out of home, internet, press publication, sponsorship.